Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a black screen in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app. Once you are in, import the video you want to add the black screen into. Drag the video in the timeline. Now in order to add the black screen, click on Library and search black screen right here. Search for it. Once you find the black screen, drag it in the timeline like this and put it where you want, like this. Once the black screen is added to your timeline, you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges like this. You can place it wherever you need it, whether it's at the beginning, end, or between the clips. In order to add between the clips, you have to split the clips like this. Drag it here and split it like this. As you can see, your black screen has been added in the middle of the video. You can even customize it by adding text. To add the text, click on text and drag it down here like this and type the text you want. You can adjust its length like this. As you can see, your text has been added to the black screen. And that's it. When you are done, just export your video by clicking on export right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.